They'll do it quickly, completely, safely. They'll do it cost-effectively, too. And when they're through, the land will be undamaged, free of debris and chemicals, ready to use. You're about to see how they, or even one of them, can do all this. You're about to see them use a Timber Tamer. Maybe we should start with a short introduction. Timber Tamer attaches to the boom of your excavator with just 2 pins and 3 quick couplings, so you can make fast changeovers from other attachments. In fact, you'll see everything about this machine is fast. Timber Tamer is the environmentally safe alternative to herbicides for keeping power line right-of-ways open or roadsides and drainage canals clear. Here's how Timber Tamer gains its awesome edge. It's this patented design. Twin free-swinging, high-carbon steel blades that pulverize everything in their path. From massive tree trunks to manhole covers, surprisingly, these blades never need sharpening. So Timber Tamer's only required maintenance is daily greasing. A designed-in benefit is safety, not only to the operator, but also to onlookers and nearby property. Notice the 7-foot-wide, inch-thick steel plates that protects the operator from flying debris. Notice, too, the steel curtain of logging chains to keep debris from flying out the sides. As a final precaution, heavy-duty canvas skirts can be added when you mow next to houses and residential areas. Because Timber Tamer is so precise, you can work in clear spaces as narrow as 15 feet. Now, let's watch this monster go to work. No tree is too tall. No trunk is too thick for its carbon steel blades. Timber Tamer chops, splinters, chips, and grinds so thoroughly that's unlike other mowers, there's simply nothing left to cut or burn or haul away. All that's left on the surface is a thin layer of biodegradable mulch. Even thick stumps can be ground down below the topsoil, where they'll begin to decompose. And random debris found elsewhere on the site can be pushed into piles and granulated. Still another useful feature is a log tong for handling fallen timber. And operators soon gain such skill and precision that working close to vehicles becomes routine. Not to mention teaming up with a second Timber Tamer to cut giant jobs in half. The machine in the distance is 7 years old, and as you can see, it's just begun to fight. About the only things that ever wear out on a Timber Tamer are its blade tips. and they can be changed by one person in 45 minutes. You simply have the old blades re-tipped and put them back on later. Soft ground, wetlands, even swamps are no obstacles. The excavator's full weight can be supported on dragline mats Timber Tamer places and picks up with hooks designed for just that purpose. Rocky or uneven terrain is no problem either. That thick 7-foot steel plate is great for grading ditch banks. It can also be used to pull a 60,000-pound machine out of a bog or up a steep incline. And Timber Tamer can reach across a ditch and be angled to fit both slopes. The same angling capability helps an operator to cut selectively. It's the affordable way to eliminate timber that is undesirable for logging or inaccessible because of terrain. So now that you've made short work of a tough job and cleaned up after yourself, Timber Tamer, take a bow. You're truly awesome. And if you, my friend, out there watching this, want to see what Timber Tamer can do in your own neck of the woods, then call this number right now. And we'll arrange a demo that will make everything perfectly clear.